So a question that undoubtedly will come up is, which markets is the course made for, and can I only trade it for Forex? And the answer is absolutely not. As you will see when you go through the lessons, you will see that I'm not only referring to Forex charts, but very often we will also take a look at other markets and a very broad spectrum of markets. So this is not a Forex only course, and the principles that you're learning here are applicable to other markets. So let me explain a little bit further. And the principles that you are learning in this course are universally applicable, which means that they are not tailored only to Forex markets. And the principles in this course are timeless. So it doesn't matter if you're watching this course in 2023, 2024, 25, 26, or at any later date, the concepts will be applicable to the markets. The reason is that we do not provide a template-like strategy, or we don't provide template thinking, which many other trading courses do. The approach that I have chosen is to show you how to apply the different concepts and the different tools to the markets with an adaptive and a flexible approach. And this is the beauty of this approach, because it really allows you to apply those concepts that you are learning here, whether it is price action, whether it's chart patterns, indicator trading, or strategy development. You will be able to apply it to all markets at any point in time. One important fact is that the markets are always changing, and this is why having an adaptive and a flexible approach and knowing how to stay adaptive to the markets is so important. And this is why I've chosen this approach, and this is why I will often refer back to this. Template strategies means that you are giving a very fixed and a very rigid set of rules, and there is almost no room of flexibility, or you're not being taught on how to adapt the different parameters of a trading strategy. In this course, I deliberately chose the approach to help you stay relevant in the market, even when the market will change over time, so that you have the knowledge on how to stay relevant in the markets for years and years to come. We can of course distinguish here a little bit between the different markets. The course is, I would say, best suited for continuous price charts, which means Forex, the crypto market, and 24-hour commodities, which are basically gold, silver, oil, gas, and alike. Those are markets which don't have a close during the week. The concepts and the principles are also fully applicable to indices, and you will find many chart studies in this course where I will take a look at indices, the S&P, the Nasdaq, the DAX, and also other international indices. I would say the principles are less, or at least with some modifications, applicable to individual stocks. So this is the only caveat that I would say here. Other than individual stocks, you will not have any problems applying those principles to other markets. Some general advice before you keep going: always backtest the strategy and the principles that you're interested in trading on the specific market that you want to trade first. Also, after the backtest, demo trade it on the same market. This will help you to develop a feeling for how the market works and how the market behaves. You will learn the unique characteristics of your markets, and then you will learn how to adapt the different strategy parts, the concepts, the tools to whatever market that you are dealing with. And I will always bring this up during the courses to show you what are the adaptive parts of a trading strategy, how to make it work for other markets other than Forex. So you can apply all of the tools and all of the knowledge that you will learn here in this course to the preferred market that you are trading.